Consider the functions f and g defined on the domain x greater than 0 less than 2 pi by f of x equals 3 cosine 2x and g of x equals 4 minus 11 cosine x. The following diagram shows the graph of y equals f of x and y equals g of x. Find the exact area of the shaded region, giving your answer in the form p pi plus q squared root of 3 form, where p, q are rational numbers. Since f of x, the period equals 2 pi over 2 equals pi. And for g of x, this period equals 2 pi, which means this is g of x. This is f of x. We need to figure out these two intersections. We will set up f of x equals g of x to figure out the intersection. 3 cosine 2x equals 4 minus 11 cosine x. Let's check the double angle formula. Decided to use this formula so that we can get only cosine x as a variable. 3 times 2 cosine squared x minus 1 equals 4 minus 11 cosine x. 6 cosine squared x minus 3 equals 4 minus 11 cosine x. This is a quadratic pattern equation. Change this equation into equal to 0 form. 6 cosine squared x plus 11 cosine x. Negative 3 minus 4 is negative 7 equals 0. Ninja x, negative 42, positive 11 over 6 over 6, negative 42, negative 142, adding is not 11, negative 2, 21. It's not 11, negative 3, 14. This is the correct answer. Negative 3, 14. Simplify 7 over 3. This is a negative 1 over 2. Variable is a cosine x. Cosine x. So we got 2 cosine x minus 1 times 3 cosine x plus 7 equals 0. Cosine x equals 1/2. Cosine x equals negative 7 over 3. We will cross this out because cosine x greater than or equal to negative 1 less than or equal to 1. For cosine x equals 1 over 2. Let's go to all, take calculus. And reference angle, we know cosine 60 equals 1 over 2, which is a cosine pi over 3 equals 1 over 2. Positive means go to these two quadrants, pi over 3. For fourth quadrant, 2n minus 1 over n pi. When n equals 3, we got 5 pi over 3. So x1 equals pi over 3, x2 equals 5 pi over 3. Now we will work out the integral from pi over 3 to 5 pi over 3. of g of x minus f of x dx equals integral from pi over 3 to 5 pi over 3. G of x is 4 minus 11 cosine x minus 3 cosine 2x dx. Let's work this out. Equals 4 will be 4x minus 11 times sine x minus 3 times sine 2x. Don't forget 1 over 2. Evaluated from pi over 3 to 5 pi over 3. Plug in 5 pi over 3 first. 4 times 5 pi over 3 minus 11 times sine 5 pi over 3 minus 3 over 2 sine 10 pi over 3. Then minus 4 times pi over 3 minus 11 times sine pi over 3 minus 3 over 2 times sine 2 pi over 3. We do know sine 5 pi over 3. All students take calculus. For the fourth quadrant, this is a negative sine. The reference angle is pi over 3. So we got negative square root of 3 over 2. For sine 10 pi over 3, first of all, we need to change this into the angle between 0 to 2 pi. So sine 10 pi over 3 minus 2 pi. We will get sine 4 pi over 3. This goes to the third quadrant. So answer still negative square root of 3 over 2. For sine 2 pi over 3, it's a second quadrant. So we got square root of 3 over 2 equals 20 pi over 3 minus 11 times negative square root of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 times negative square root of 3 over 2. Then minus, still let's do bracket, 4 pi over 3 minus 11 times square root of 3 over 2 minus 3 over 2 times square root of 3 over 2. Then we got 20 pi over 3. Negative negative will be positive, plus 11 square root of 3 over 2, plus again 3 square root of 3 over 4, minus 4 pi over 3. Negative negative is a positive, 11 square root of 3 over 2, plus 3 square root of 3 over 4. Then we get 20 pi over 3 minus 4 pi over 3 is 16 pi over 3. These two, you will get 11 square root of 3. For these two, we will get 3 over 2 square root of 3. So final answer 16 pi over 3 plus 25 over 2 square root of 3. Let's go to B. At points A and B on the diagram, the gradients of the two graphs are equal. Determine y-coordinate of A on the graph of G. F prime of x equals G prime of x. So we got 3 times negative sine 2x times 2 equals negative 11 times negative sine x. Simplify. Negative 6 sine 2x equals 11 sine x. We will use this double angle formula. We got negative 6 times 2 sine x cosine x. Change this into equal to 0 form. Equals 0. Then we take sine x out. Negative 12 cosine x minus 11 equals 0. Sine x equals 0. Or cosine x equals negative 11 over 12. Since we need to figure out g of x, we just need to plug in. We will cross out sine x equals 0 because x equals 0 or x equals pi, sine x equals 0. Look at this graph. X is not 0, x not pi. That's the reason we cross out this sine x equals 0. Now we got cosine x equals negative 11 over 12. For g of x equals 4 minus 11 cosine x. We got cosine x equals negative 11 over 12 equals 4 minus 11 times negative 11 over 12. Work this out. 4 plus 121 over 12, which is 48 over 12 plus 121 over 12. Final answer 169 over 12.